Hi guys, we have another toy train. It's a pullback train. It should wind itself up as you pull it back and then run forwards. Oh, 50 pence, and it actually was half price, so I only paid 25 pence for it. But the little pullback motor feels like it's slipped out of the fixings, so we're going to have to take it apart and have a look. There's no manufacturer's name on it or anything. Yeah, it's hanging loose. No, there's a piece of plastic missing from just there. I can see it now. There should be a little wedge shape sticking out that catches in there. I think the easiest thing for me to try and do is melt it with a hot soldering iron to hold it all in place. So I'll go and do that up in the workroom. Hopefully you can see what I've done there. Just melted the two bits of plastic together to hold it in place. So I'll put it back together and try it out. Yeah, looks like it works. Well, that works. Pleased with myself. Success. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have two shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.